Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to scrape the suggested or related videos inside YouTube and display them inside a list like structure in a table like structure such as this. So you can see that we are displaying these suggested videos or related videos in a Bootstrap table. So basically this is the application. So this is a web scraping application, and similarly we can also scrape all the comments of a YouTube video and display it inside a table. So here you just need to fill out the YouTube video URL and simply click this button get data, and after that a window will appear and automatically all the information will be scraped from the YouTube website and will be displayed inside a table. So this doesn't require any sort of external API or YouTube data API. So this is all done automatically by Puppeteer library. Let me show you a very basic example. Let's suppose you want to scrape the videos of a particular channel here. Let's suppose I go to YouTube, and let's suppose I take my video as example. I go to youtube.com, and let's suppose I take my favorite video, very famous video. So let's suppose I go to coding Shiksha. You will see, let me take any video example here. Let me go to my channel. So you can see that we have various videos present here on the channel. So we can take any video of your choice. Let's suppose I take this video, which is next Firestore blog post CRUD application, and here you just simply need to paste the link here and click on get data. As you click get data, guys, you can see a window will appear automatically. This will open this video right here, and basically it will automatically scroll down. You will see that it is scrolling down automatically. I am not doing anything. You can see my hands. So it is all automated by Puppeteer, and it is controlling this Chrome browser, and basically it will scrape all the related videos which are appearing on the right hand side, which is the suggested videos, and after which is done, it will now display this inside a Bootstrap table. It will automatically close, and then it will display this information in a table like structure. You can now see the table is updated here. You can see this is the video here, the story of Next.js. If you scroll down, all the videos will be scraped and will be displayed here, right here. So you can see that. So this is the application, guys, we will be building in this tutorial. You can see that. So these videos will be related to the source video that we having Next.js. So you can now see this is a suggested videos or related videos. So many a times you need to get the list of related videos, suggested videos, just to check which are the videos which are performing well. So we will try to build this application using web scraping, and we will be doing it using Puppeteer. If you are familiar with Puppeteer, it's a web automation library which is a Chrome Node.js API which is used for testing or web scraping purposes. So in many situations you don't have any sort of API to get data. So in those situations we perform web scraping. So it's a very popular library, similar to Selenium, but Selenium is specific for Python applications, but Puppeteer is used for JavaScript and Node.js applications. So it's a very good library. So it has got a lot of documentation which is available on its GitHub page. So definitely go to it. So now to get all the source code, guys, I have written a complete blog post on my tutorial website Coding Shiksha. So if you want to get all the source code, this is a script here which is simple index.js script. Simply I will give this link in the live chat here, and if you want to get all the source code, so you can get the full source code here in the live chat. I will give this link. So I will pin this comment right here at the very top, so you can get the full link. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So now let's get started by building this application, guys. So first of all, let me tell you which are the dependencies needed for this dependency. So you will need Puppeteer, Puppeteer Extra, and Puppeteer Extra plugin Stealth. So if you go to the npm.js page here, these are the dependencies which are needed here. So first of all, just type here Puppeteer. This is a dependency. So it has got over, you can see 4 million weekly downloads. So simply install this package. Then we also need Puppeteer Extra. This is kind of a plugin which is required for this purpose. So you also need to install this Puppeteer Extra. This has also got 165,000 weekly downloads. And then we also got Puppeteer Extra Stealth. This is a package. Puppeteer. If you see, the package name is Puppeteer Extra Plugin Stealth. This is a package. So basically this is used for preventing the detection from the browser. So if you use this package, the Chrome browser will not detect that you are using any sort of automation software. So this software is very much required, this package. So simply install these three packages, guys. This is needed for this application. Now we are start to build this application, so we can uh, write this inside a notepad file and start from scratch. And apart from that, you will also need Express and EJS template. So right here inside, we will first of all start the Express server. So we will require this Express server. So we will start this on port number 2000. So app is listing on port 2000. So we will also set the view engine, guys. In this case, the view engine will be EJS. So, and also we will say URL encoded extended to false. This middleware is needed, which is body parser middleware. So now will we open the home page. Basically, we just need to show the form. So in this case, we will render out the index template, and we have just create a views folder inside this create index.ejs. So for this, guys, you also need to import the Bootstrap package. So just type here Bootstrap CDN, and basically you need to import this package. Just go to w3schools.com, and here you need to import this package. Let me also copy this right here. So right here, if you import this package, guys, you can see CDN is copied here like this Bootstrap. And first of all, we will have the container class of Bootstrap, and then we will have a break tag, and then a simple heading that is in the center position, that YouTube web scraping, like this. Then we will have another break tag, and we have the action which is get info, and the method here will be post. And basically, guys, here we will be having a simple input field here. So input form control, and this will be of type URL. This should be required, and it will, the placeholder will be enter YouTube video URL. We have a simple label also, which is for URL. So here we'll say enter YouTube video URL. So then, guys, we will have a simple button basically to submit the form. So here we will have button danger. This will be the red color, and a full size button. So this will be get info. So if you now reload the application, guys, it will start this application on localhost 2000. So this is your application interface is ready, guys. You can see YouTube web scraping. So here you will give your YouTube video URL, and now you simply need to make this post request, which is app.post get info. So whatever is the URL here, we will say that request.body. So here, if you see, we need to give it a name parameter as well. So name parameter we can give here to URL. So we can simply say request.body.url. So after getting this, guys, we will have a function which will get suggested videos. So basically, guys, this will get the suggested videos. We will pass the URL. This will be a async function, and then we can console log the data. So now we need to make this function, which will actually is a async function get suggested videos. It will have this URL. This will be a function, So right here guys, we first of all need to import the dependencies which are needed. So we will import Puppeteer. So we need to require Puppeteer extra, and also we need to require stealth plugin. So just require this Puppeteer extra plugin stealth, and then we will pass this as a middleware. So Puppeteer use stealth plugin, that's it. So after this guys, what we need to say is that basically inside this function, which will be getting the suggested videos, so here it will have this URL. So first of all, we will simply say we will need to launch the browser. We will await, as this is a async function, so Puppeteer launch. So it contains this headless parameter. Currently this value will be false, and this arguments, so this is containing a array which is sandbox, put a comma, dash dash disable set UID sandbox. So after this guys, we will have the page. We will wait for the new page, open the new page, and then we will go to, we will have a set default navigation timeout for about 60,000 millisecond, and then we also will be having a, we will go to this page which is the URL which we provide. You can now see we are going to this URL and opening it. After opening it, we will wait for the selector to appear, which is wait for selector, which is equal to contents. So then we will get the title guys like this. This is all doing it automatically. So basically this is the DOM elements, we are targeting it by ID and elements. So basically here we will say if design1 exists, in that case we will click the page, and here we need to put the description. So this will give the title and the description of the video guys. Else we will simply say page click meta. So meta description of the video. You can even get the meta description of the video as well. Then we will scroll. So basically now to scroll, we will make a variable scroll container ytd app. So here we will scroll page. We will use this method which is available. We will scroll to the page and to the scroll container. Await. Then we will have a simple timeout. Wait for timeout about 1000 millisecond or 10,000 millisecond, which is 10 second. Then we will get the info from the video page. If you want to, we'll call this method which is fill data from page, and we will pass the page and is design1, and then we will close the browser after this function. So we need to make this function and return info from video page. So now we need to make this method guys which is fill data from page. So if you're watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So this is a function guys. Again, this will be a async function, fill data from page. It will pass the page and this new design as the argument. So first of all guys, we will now be fetching the information, scraping this information from YouTube video page, data from page, and we will await page.evaluate. We will use this method and pass this new design. This will be an arrow function, and here guys, first of all we will get the information that we want. We will get the number of the date like this. If you see, this will scrape the date of the video, on which date the video was posted. Similarly, we will get the views as well, like this, the number of views the video has, like this. So these are different selectors which are there. So basically we are selecting it by the selectors like this. This is unique for every website, so you need to first of all invest some time looking at the DOM, and then you will get these selectors. So now we can return something, a object here. The title will be equal to, this is the title of the video. So again, this contains this. So basically, for this you need to study the DOM first of all for a website, and then you will get these selectors. So I don't want to waste your time, that's why you can see. In order to get the number of likes, you will have this likes as well. So you need to change it to integer, so that's why we are using parseInt. That's it. So after this, guys, you just need to put a comma as well. Put a comma, and then you will get the channel information. So channel information will be an object. Basically, these will contain three properties out there. First is the channel name, and then it will contain the link of the channel and the thumbnail of the channel. So all such information will be there inside this channel object. You can now see this is the channel information, the name of the channel, link, and just put a comma, and then we will have the another object, guys, which will be for the date. We will insert it. We have calculated it right here, and then put the views as well, views of the video. Put a comma, views is equal to views, and also we need to uh, convert this to an integer. That's why we are doing this. So after this, guys, we will have the description and the duration and the hashtag. So all such information you can return, guys. So which is the description of the video, duration of the video, hashtags, all that stuff. And lastly, which is a suggested video, guys, which is the most important information, which is a suggested video. You can now see, put a comma. So it will contain all the suggested videos which appear on the right hand side. We will fetch the title of that suggested video, link, channel name, the date, views, duration, and thumbnail. And in the similar manner, guys, we can even scrape the comments as well. So all the comments which are made on that video, like this. So this is the comments which are made here. We will scrape the author name, the link of that author, the date, likes of that comment, comments, the replies to that comment, and avatar image. That's it. So after this, guys, this is over, and you need to put that comma and new design. And lastly, we just need to return this data from page. That's it. This is the overall function, guys. So basically, this is the data which will be returning from this function, and we also need to scroll this automatically whenever we scroll the page. So we need to write this function which is scroll page. So here we are calling this function. If you see, we are calling this function scroll page. So basically the functionality of this method is to automatically scroll the page whenever is required. Until you reach the end of the page, it will automatically scroll down using Puppeteer. Basically, it is using this while loop. So until it reaches the end of the page, it will scroll down. So now, guys, we can run this application. You will see it is app is listening on port 2000. Now, if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So here we can take any video of our choice here. Let's suppose I take here again my video, some video here. This video I take, and basically I go to the application, click on get info. So now, guys, you can see automatically some error has taken place. Uh, it is saying that let me see, guys, what is the problem here. If you see, we are calling this method which is get suggested videos. We are passing the URL. So you can see some error has taken place, guys. So what I can do is that I can copy paste this code, full code here. I think it's just a typo mistake out there. Let me paste it. So what we can do is that here we can simply just console log the result which is coming. So basically, if you now refresh your application, so it has started this application on port 3000. So if I open this now, so if you paste the link, guys, let me paste the video link, and so it is saying cannot post get info. Sorry, we need to change it to get info. So now you can see automatically this window will appear, guys. It will open this video. So this is a video, guys. It will scroll down automatically. So you can see it is scrolling down, and once it reaches the last video, basically it will print out the data. So you can see that all this data now, you can see that, guys, it is printed out inside the console. So we are successfully getting this data here. So now we simply need to paste or display this data inside a Bootstrap table. So this is a suggested videos here. You can now see this is a suggested videos array here. So basically what we need to do is that we need to pass this information to the response.render index, and here we need to pass this two information. First of all, the whole data and only the suggested videos array. Suggested videos will be equal to result.suggested videos. So you can see we are passing the two things here. Firstly the entire object, and secondly the only the suggested videos array. So we are passing these two information, and this needs to be empty by default, and this also need to be empty by default when we load the home page. So now go to index.ejs, guys. After this form we need to first of all check if the data exists, then only print out the table. So this is just a EJS syntax, guys, so you just need to follow it. So here we will have a table which will have the table and the table bordered class. So here we will have the table head tag. So here we will first of all show the suggested videos. So for the suggested videos we will need to have the name of the suggested video, the video, actual video, and the actual views. So table heading views. Then we will have the duration and the date of the video and the channel name. So after this, guys, we will have a table body, and here we will use our for each loop. So this will be suggested videos for each video. Basically we will use the for each syntax here. This is you need to surround this. So inside this we will have a table row, and inside this we will show video dot So here guys, you need to have a simple, first of all we will show the image. So image source will be equal to video.thumbnail. So close this, and after this image we will have the anchor tag. Basically this will be video dot the actual URL of the video, which will be present inside a property called as, if you see, URL. So I think it is, yeah. After this guys, we also need to open this in a blank window, so target is underscore blank, and here you need to give the title. So this will be video dot title. That's it. So just put a equal sign guys, because whenever we render variables we need to put a equal sign. This is the first table data guys, which is the actual video. Then we have the, basically this is the number of views, which is easy, so we can display this using video dot views. Then we have is the duration, video dot duration. Then we have the date, which is video dot date. I think it is like that, views duration date. And lastly guys, we will have the channel name. This is again like this, video dot channel name. So now if you refresh your application guys, hopefully this will now print out this data. So if you see, now you, let me take a video, for example this window, Tesla landing page. So it will open this video.
Beat search engines.
And automatically it will scroll down. So now hopefully it will display this information guys in the browser. So now you can see that guys, it is successfully displaying this information in the table here, Bootstrap table. If you scroll down, all the suggested videos are displayed here. This is a thumbnail, title, views, duration, date, and the actual channel which uploaded the video. So this all information you can successfully scrape guys and display this inside a browser. You can make your own application which is suggested video scraper. Similarly, we can also display the comments as well inside this table. So all this information you can see, it's a very simple Node.js script by which you can do this stuff. All the source code is given in the description of this video. You can see this is a script that we are using here, and to make this, if you see, the comments is also very easy. If you closely notice, we also have the comment as well. So now for the comments is very easy. Inside index.js we can also pass a comments array, which is result.comments. That's it. This will be the comments array, and here this needs to be empty as well. So right here we will have another table for the comments. So when this table is completed, we will have another table. This time this will be for for the comments, which is, if you closely look at the fields out there of the comments, there is an author name which actually made the comment, link, the date, and likes. I think first of all we will say this is username, actual comment, the likes, date, and basically that's it. So these are the four things we will display. This is their avatar image. That's it. So now to display this, guys, we will inside table body. So all the source code I will give in the video description, guys, at the end of this live stream, so don't worry about it. I will update the blog post. So please hit the like button, guys, and also subscribe the channel as well if you're watching it for the very first time. You can see the subscriber goal is 11111. So right here, guys, we will again have a for each loop similar to this one. So I will simply copy this. So this time this will be comments. For each comment we will display, this time this will be, if you closely look at the structure, which is, it is for each comment we have this avatar image. So we will display this. So comment, which will be avatar image. That's it. And for the anchor tag we have this link here available. So we will say comment dot link. And for the name of the user, if you closely look, it is present inside the author property. So you will say comment dot author. So the next property is, guys, for the actual comment. So this is very easy. So comment. If you closely look, we have a comment property here, which is comment. Then we have the likes. So we have the likes property. So comment likes. Next we have the actual date. So now you will see we have the date property. So just delete this. So now it's over, guys. So now let me check if it is working or not. So again, refresh your application. So if I say here, refresh the application. So let's suppose we take a very popular video in which a lot of comments are there. So I take my most popular video here, let's suppose this video, and paste the link. So now there will be two tables out there, guys. First is the suggested videos and then the comment table. So now it will open this video. You will see that. So it will scroll down. You can see all the comments, 158 comments will be there. It will scroll down and automatically it will scrape the suggested videos and as well as the comments as well. So you can see that, guys, this is our suggested videos, and next we will have the actual comments here, which is, you can see this is a avatar image here, username. You can even go to their channel as well, whoever made the, you can now see this is actual user which actually made the comment. So I think it's a very popular application that we have developed here. This is actual comment, likes, the date. So if you use the YouTube data API, guys, it has a lot of restrictions. It has got a lot of money as well. So it's a paid API, but it is completely free. You can do this for unlimited number of videos. You can scrape the comments, scrape all the useful information that you want, suggested videos, the comments as well. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well if you are watching it for the very first time, and please hit the like button as well. I see people are not liking the content. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So this is the application that we have developed. So now if you have any sort of questions, guys, you can ask in the comment section. So this is the actual application we have developed, where we are scraping all the comments and the suggested videos. Any doubts related to this, you can ask it in the comment section. If you want to have questions, you can ask, guys, in the comment section. So if you're joining it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So in this video we have successfully scraped the suggested videos and all the comments of a particular YouTube video. So you can rewind the stream and watch all the videos I have successfully scraped all the comments and the suggested videos of a YouTube video and displayed them in the table-like structure, something like this. So you can join the WhatsApp group, guys, of Coding Shiksha. So in order to ask questions and also receive notifications of videos, because YouTube doesn't send the notifications on a daily basis. So you can join this WhatsApp group if you have facing any sort of problem related to this channel, and if you want to also give some ideas related to the future videos. So you can join this group to interact with me on a daily basis, and here I will post some useful resources. And so if you're joining it for the very first time, please hit the like button as well. Okay, I will definitely make it whenever I get the time. Monster Flick. I was just researching the topic. I will not speak lie to you because it's a very difficult topic, which is video compression API. It requires a lot of effort. So definitely when I will get the material, I will definitely make that video for you. So don't worry about it. I am just researching the topic. It's a little bit tricky topic, very difficult topic, and I also seen your email that you sent in my Gmail. I was reading the blog post, but still I need some time to make that video, because if I have the information, then I can make the video. If I am not fully aware of the topic, how can I make the video? So I need some time because I'm just learning the topic. Yeah, you can see those videos. I have made a lot of videos related to video compression. You can just try to replicate those videos in your own application. Yeah, you can make your own Express API. Just replicate the stuff that I done on those videos. Okay, definitely I will make those videos. Don't worry about it. Just follow my WhatsApp group. I will post some resources in that. Monster Flick, if you are